Matter. All matter has mass and volume. Matter is anything that takes up space. There are 3 phases of matter: solid, liquid, gas. All solids have a fixed shape. They are not easily compressible, they have definite volume, and they do not move easily. They vibrate because there's very little space in between the solid particles. Liquids assume or take the shape of its container. They are not easily compressible, they have definite volume, and they flow easily, moving or sliding past one another. Gases assume the shape of its container. They are compressible. They have no definite volume. They flow easily because they are spread apart and move quickly past one another. Which items below have particles that are really close together with little free space? Really close together with little free space are solids. Shoes, ice, binders, and watches are all solids. Which items below have particles that are moving freely or sliding around each other? Moving freely or sliding around each other are liquids. Water, juice, milk, and soup are all liquids. Which items below have particles that are spread far apart and move very fast? Spread far apart and move very fast describes gases. Vapor, helium, air, and oxygen are all gases. Changes in phases. When we increase the heat, we can change the states of matter from a solid to a liquid and from a liquid to a gas. The boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius or 212 degrees Fahrenheit. When we decrease the heat or cool our states of matter, we can go from a gas to a liquid and a liquid to a solid. The freezing point of water is 0 degrees Celsius or 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Atoms. All matter is made up of atoms. Atoms have subatomic particles. Protons have a positive charge, electrons have a negative charge, and neutrons have no charge. Both protons and neutrons can be found in the nucleus of an atom. Elements are pure substance made up of only one kind of atom. Here are a few examples of some elements. Do you know them all? Here we have a periodic table of elements. Molecules. 2 or more of the same or different elements joined form molecules. Here we have some examples of molecules. Compounds are 2 or more different elements joined. Table salt is formed from the element sodium and the element chlorine. Water is formed from 2 parts element hydrogen and 1 part element oxygen. Which of the following are examples of elements? Hydrogen, potassium, oxygen, and helium are all elements because they are a pure substance formed of only one kind of atom. Which of the following are examples of compounds? Water, table salt, ammonia, and carbon dioxide are all compounds because they are formed from 2 different types of elements. Which of the following are examples of compounds? B, D, and E are all compounds because they have 2 or more different elements joined together. Mixtures are a combination of 2 or more substances that can be separated because each substance keeps its characteristics. Solutions are a combination of 2 or more substances that cannot be separated because one of the substances dissolves into the other. Which of the following are examples of mixtures? Chex Mix, salad, sand and rocks, rice and beans are all examples of mixtures because they can be separated. Which of the following are examples of solutions? Salt water, hot cocoa, Kool-Aid, and detergent are all solutions because one substance will dissolve into the other, forming a new substance that cannot be separated again. Have a great time studying, and thank you to Google Images for all of your pictures.